Xerox PrimeLink, C9065 and C9070. How to make booklets. The booklet function allows you to create a booklet from single sheet originals with or without covers. Make sure that you know what type of originals your customer has. The process is different if you are copying a booklet that is already pre-made. There are two different types of originals that a customer might bring in: single, portrait-oriented, letter-sized originals, or landscape originals that are already made into a booklet. Using mixed media, like a mix of glossy and plain paper, will vary these figures slightly. It is always a good idea to do a test run before you commit to a specific type of paper. These are a few things to remember about booklet thickness. This is a thickness chart. If your printer has a folder, you can use this information to determine the approximate thickness of the booklets you will be able to create, and on what types of paper you will be able to create them. From Services Home, select Copy. From the Copy screen, go to the Output Format tab. Then select Booklet Creation. Turn Booklet Creation on. Specify the originals. Are they one-sided or two-sided? Select Fold and Staple. Turning on Fold and Staple is a necessary step. If you don't, the printer won't recognize what you're trying to do and will give you an error message. If your printer does not have a folder, you can still create booklets and hand fold and staple them. Select Fold Only or Fold and Staple, then select Save. If you would like to add covers to your booklet, select Covers. Select the type of cover. Select the appropriate paper tray for your cover. Select the appropriate paper tray for the body of your booklet, then touch Save. You can always use the Build Job application if you want to use different copy settings for the covers and body of your booklet. Go to the Copy tab and review the paper supply. If your booklet has covers, Paper Supply will show you the paper you previously selected for the body of your booklet. If your booklet does not have covers, select the Paper Supply tray with the correct landscape paper. Then make the appropriate output color selection. Select Original Type and choose the best setting for the type of originals you have. Load your originals in the document handler in order in portrait orientation. Then press the Start button.